Hi guys, good afternoon. This is Vanto Vanto. I'm in South Africa, in Cape Town, and sometimes in Rustenburg, but this time I'm in Cape Town. I want to share with you this wonderful product. It's called Vitamix. About 2 years ago, I had a problem, which is I had a heart challenge, and it was very difficult. So difficult that I could not walk, a distance of about 200 meters without getting tired. I couldn't stand for 15 minutes. And no matter how much of a professional you are, there is just this time in life where you go to work and you look at everybody, and just in their eyes you notice that almost everybody says your services, they are no longer needed here. Guys, I cannot explain the difficulty of having a heart challenge, a heart problem. There are various heart problems, but they all give almost the same, situation whereby you are not able to be productive in life, working for your children, working for your family. And each day, 2 hours in a day, they are almost like 8 hours for you. And it goes not only with heart, but it goes eventually to depression. And at the end of the day, guys, no matter how much of a star you are, no matter, you know, how much talented you are, there is this time in life that some diseases, they just retire you. They just stop you not to be able to produce anymore, to be productive. And I joined Aimglobal Alliance in Motion, which is based in Philippines about 2 years ago. And at that time, for 6 months, I did not take their products serious. They've got good products, but sometimes you don't have that motivation to sell. I've got a good upline, make no mistake. But I think for something like 6 months, it's all about pioneering a product in a country when it's a new product. But then one day I listened to a doctor, I think he's Dr. Butch. He is one of the trainers and the mentors in M Global. And he was explaining this product. I just want to show you, and this product is called Vitamix. Now look, when you have a heart problem, what you will do, you will go and look for blood thinners so that blood can pass through those arteries that have shrunk, that have got smaller, or whatever that has blocked you. You go for blood thinners. At the end of the day, you have a lot of medication that you carry with you, and if you are sitting in a restaurant, or people can just think that you have a bomb. You take out all this medication, a lot of bottles, just for you to have your heart going. But now the difference here is that there is no need of blood thinning. Now when he explained this to me while I was checking in the video, he says in 1 hour's time, just in 1 hour, this product will dilate your vein. That means your veins are going to relax, and they are going to open up, and whatever that is blocking, it's gonna pass. I compared the issue of thinning the blood versus making the vein to be soft again, elastic again, because the veins, as we grow, they get brittle. And I tried this product, guys. This product, it was a lifesaver. Today, I'm able to work, I'm able to perform a lot of things that I was not able to do. And for that reason, this was a great encouragement to me, to sell M Global Alliance in Motion global products, because of what this product has done for me. A lot of you who have got a heart problem, you know that you have to thin the blood, but here there is no blood thinning. All you do here, you take this within an hour's time, you will feel that The veins are opening up, they are unblocking, and guys, I am happy for what I got here. Anybody who has got the same problem that I had, this is what I'm suggesting that you take, guys. This is good for the veins. Any problem that has to do with the veins, whether it is high blood pressure, whatever problems that have to do with the veins, whether it is the kidneys, this product, I encourage you to get it. Call me at South African code 079-083-1530. I repeat, South African code 079-083-1530. You can also write me at Vanto at aimglobalsouthafrica.com. I repeat, Vanto at aimglobalsouthafrica.com. I'm selling these products. I'm selling them out of gratitude for what they have done for me. I teach a lot about them on YouTube. I will show you other products that we are selling. But for now, guys, anybody that you know with depression, with a heart problem, with kidney problem, with high blood, Vitamix, this is the product that I am recommending. I'm happy today that I'm able to work again. I'm able to do business again. I'm able to do a whole lot of other exciting things again because, health is important, guys. Health is important. Because of the things that we eat, because of our lifestyle, our years are shortened. Because of the demands that we have today, our years are shortened. And these products, they can prolong your years. And guys, this is it. Write to me, send me a call, and then let's talk about this product. God bless you. We will show you other products again. Bye-bye.